Hi, welcome to Ringo-Media. Today then we're going to be looking at a new app called Firesend from the great Dr. Squiffy. Links later on, but here we go. So to get this app, if you go to the Amazon store, do a search, type in Firesend, and then you'll see it come up there. Select Firesend. It's the purple one with the big arrow and the flame in it. Select that one and install that on your device by clicking the download button as usual. That will then download it and install it automatically on your device for you. Open the app, and from there, once it opens, it takes a second or two the first time you do it. There we go, it's just loaded now. So from here, you'll be able to see the screen, Firesend TV. A quick warning's just come up because they've been down for a bit of maintenance. Here we go. So you can see enter room code. Various codes, we'll touch on that later. You can type in there. I highly recommend scanning with your phone so that you can look at the page and find more rooms. So now let's have a look at one of the rooms for you. So go to your apps, scroll down, find the Firesend app, same logo as earlier. Load that up this time, and again, just a second or two, it's my Firestick a bit slow. So we're back to the main screen there on your Firestick. Let's say scan that with your phone to go to their website, firesend.download. But in here, in the room, we're typing in tools, down to join in. That's got us into this one room called tools. And as you can see at the moment, there's two apps in there. Virus Tool, which is a malware checker, and the other one, Fire Clean, which we'll touch on a bit later on in another video, but highly recommend that as well. So there we go. Have a look. It's a great app. It's growing all the time now. It's really, really new. Big shout out to the Doc Squiffy. Go check him out for information and for great apps like this that he's producing. Thanks for watching today, and don't forget, give us a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to help us and get this channel moving a lot more, and so I can produce a lot more videos to help you stream on your Fire Stick. Take care. Bye till next time.